This weekend, Cody and I and the dogs are heading just a couple of hours north to Riggins and Whitebird, Idaho. We'll be spending a little bit of time between both of them, and we have some fun excursions planned for Cody's birthday weekend that he doesn't know about yet, but he has probably guessed and just hasn't told me. We scored an incredible campsite just outside of Whitebird, and this will be our home for just a couple of nights. And the weather could not have been more perfect. There was also a bike race going on this weekend up the grade in Whitebird, so our camp filled with lots of biking friends, which was also a treat.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor. All the night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught.
So we scored a campsite at Hammer Creek Recreation Site, and this is our view. It is so awesome. Look at that.
Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I've got no way of knowing what tomorrow's gonna bring me. Not gonna worry. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the
Okay, we just got to the Lower Cannon Lake Trailhead and we're gonna go check it out. We got some storm clouds rolling in, so hopefully we can beat it. But if not, it'll be epic anyway. Here we go.
We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down. On life, got a good buzz going. I'm never, ever, never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor. All the night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take a long way.
Just made it to Lower Cannon Lake. Look at those views. So cool. Eee.
We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I've got no way of knowing what tomorrow's gonna bring me.
So about 4.25 miles so far, and then we have to get back to the truck, and most of our uphill is on the way back. But I mean,
Can't complain. This is awesome and great weather because when we started, it was like 40 degrees and looked like it was going to downpour. So this is awesome. Now we're going to do some fishing. Hopefully we can catch something. I don't even know if there's fish in this lake, but we'll figure it out.
I've got a good buzz going. I'm never, ever, never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down.
This was our first time in this part of Idaho and Oregon, and it's safe to say this will definitely not be our last. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our adventure and continue to watch our adventures here in Idaho and the Pacific Northwest.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the